Welcome to DhruboSphere. Let's learn 20 wild animals vocabulary words. Ready? Let's roar! Lion. The lion is called the king of the jungle. It has a golden mane and a mighty roar. Tiger. Tigers have orange fur with black stripes. They are strong hunters and love to swim. Elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals. They have long trunks and big flappy ears. Giraffe. Giraffes have long necks to reach tall trees. They love munching on leaves high above. Zebra. Zebras wear black and white stripes like pajamas. No two zebras have the same pattern. Monkey. Monkeys swing from tree to tree. They love eating bananas and playing around. Bear. Bears are strong and fluffy. They love honey and fish. Yum! Deer. Deer are gentle animals with beautiful antlers. They run fast through forests. A fox. Foxes are clever and quick. They have pointy ears and bushy tails. Wolf. Wolves live and hunt in groups called packs. They howl to talk to each other. Rhinoceros. Rhinos have thick skin and a big horn on their nose. They love muddy baths to stay cool. Hippopotamus. Hippos spend most of their time in water. They are heavy, but can move fast when needed. Leopards are great climbers. They can sleep on trees and have golden spotted fur. Gorilla. Gorillas are strong and gentle giants. They live in groups called troops in African forests. Panda. Pandas are black and white and love to eat bamboo. They are calm, cute, and cuddly. Kangaroo. Kangaroos hop on two legs and carry babies in their pouches. They live in Australia. Cheetah. Cheetahs are the fastest animals on land. They can run faster than a car for short distances. Crocodile. Crocodiles live in rivers and wait quietly for prey. They have powerful jaws and sharp teeth. Snake. Snakes slither silently on the ground. Some are venomous, but most are harmless. Eagles are strong birds with sharp eyes. They can spot prey from very high in the sky. Wow, we met so many amazing wild animals today. Which one was your favorite? The lion, the panda, or the cheetah? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning. Only on DhruboSphere.